In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Now you can tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and when you're done, go into Tap menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then click on pen icon at the top right corner. Now select Edit, and over here under Available buttons, swipe to the left to find Caffeine shortcut. Now hold it and drag it to the proper place. When you finished, let go and hit Done at the top right corner twice. Finally, use this line to hold it and drag it down. This way you will see all of your shortcuts. Click on Caffeine 1. Use gray switcher next to Allow Permission. Go back, and this time when you click on it, Infinite Sleep Time will be activated. If you wanna switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!